Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2008 Acura RDX turbo maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button right here, this menu button, and this button in here. It's a little dark in here. I apologize first. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. This button right here. Okay. As you can see, service due soon. Now go ahead and press that menu button, this button right here, until you see that. As you can see, 15%. Now go ahead and press this button on the right hand side and hold it. Give it about 10 seconds, it'll flash. Now let go and turn the knob, the same button right here. Turn the knob until the reset is highlighted, just like that. Now click and just click once and it'll reset for you, and that should do it. Okay, guys, don't make sure you click a like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.